The president of Osikon Island Gas. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the host club of today's event. All the commander-in-chiefs of the Great Imperial His Excellency of Hollywood Officer, the Imperial Chief, and what is the Zimuanyamose? I second no. I Imperial Commander, it's supposed to be one of you can get guys again no. You